Welcome back to our course. In the previous lecture, we discussed the key features of Microsoft Copilot for data analysis and visualization. Now, let's look at some use cases across different industries. Healthcare. Microsoft Copilot helps healthcare professionals analyze patient data, predict outcomes, and improve patient care. For example, hospitals use data visualization to track patient recovery rates and optimize treatment plans. Finance. Microsoft Copilot assists in analyzing market trends, managing portfolios, and detecting fraud. Financial analysts rely on data visualization to make informed investment decisions and present insights to stakeholders. Across industries, Microsoft Copilot is transforming the way organizations work by enabling data-driven decision-making and enhancing productivity. By leveraging data analysis and visualization, businesses and institutions can gain valuable insights and drive innovation